Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to extract DNA from strawberries. You will need 2 cups, 1/2 cup water, 2 teaspoons dish soap, 1/2 teaspoon salt, paper towel, isopropyl or rubbing alcohol should be at least 70% chilled in the freezer, a toothpick, a paper Ziploc bag, and a strawberry. You will need to take 1/2 cup water and pour it into a separate glass. And then you'll need to take 2 teaspoons of dish soap and mix it into the water. After you add the dish soap, you need to add 1/2 teaspoons of salt to the mixture and then stir it all around. And then you need to take your plastic Ziploc bag, put the strawberry in it, and squish it for about 2 minutes until there are no big pieces of strawberry left. After you're done, add your mixture from before to the Ziploc bag and swish it around. Next, take a paper towel, put it over the cup, make a small divot in it so that you can strain your mixture to take out all the small tiny lumps that are left. After that, take some isopropyl alcohol and slowly add it to the cup. After you add the alcohol, wait for about 20 seconds. What do you think will happen? You then need to take a toothpick, skim it over the top, and you should be able to see all your DNA on the end of the toothpick. DNA is a material that contains all the information for how a living thing will look and work. DNA is located in every cell in your body. Cells are the building blocks of your body. Your body is made up of trillions of them. The reason the experiment worked is because the dish soap popped the cells of the strawberry, which contained the DNA, and the salt made the DNA clump up. When you added the alcohol, it pulled all the DNA out of the mixture. I hope you enjoyed.